This video will show you how to install your curb wrap over your old painted curb numbers. Preparing your curb is key to the longevity of your curb wrap. With a scraper, scrape off any loose or chipping paint. With a wire brush, scrub the curb to remove any fine dirt and debris. Use a scrub brush to wipe away the leftover dust. Slowly peel off the protective backing to prevent tearing your curb wrap. Stick your curb wrap over the old painted numbers. Make sure you center your curb wrap. Use the squeegee and press firmly, sweeping back and forth on your curb wrap for maximum adhesion. See? That was easy. Now you have your new curb wrap, and it looks amazing.